안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Qué rico.
Have a seat, have a seat. 클래식 음악 바꿨어. 오색이 됐어, 냄새잖아. 말하지 않아도 Okay. Everybody's right.
We're all like 아저씨.
아저씨.
That sliding thing, oh my goodness.
사장님 저희 주문할게요.
이모.
Why did you call her Imo? If I call her Imo, she probably would. But she's still very young. 전복죽 2개, 게이죽 2개, 성게미역국 하나, 갈치국 하나. 네, 이렇게 좀 주세요. 네. Yeah, it's not that bad. For you guys. Is mandarina con qué?
¿Cómo?
¿Mandarina con qué?
No veo.
Is mandarina con qué?
¿Cómo?
¿Mandarina con qué?
They say this is tendering with mayonnaise.
¿Tienes mandarina con mayonesa?
Sí. Mandarina con mayonesa, a la mayonesa.
La mayonesa. Interesting.
Yeah.
The local country.
You have to say interesting. Just like that.
Nunca lo he comido juntos, pero bueno.
Cómelo.
Cómelo.
¿Sabe ensalada de esa de zanahoria que está en Navidad? Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Me encanta.
So this is the so-called 해물파전. So they sometimes say like 전 is like Korean pizza, Korean pizza or like Korean pancake, but they have like seafood, like for example shrimps on.
Lo probamos sí, en el mercado.
You haven't tried it yet, right?
No, you don't know it yet.
Tried it. It's very common in Korea.
How do you eat it? With chopsticks or?
Yeah, you have to like separate with it. You put the chops and then you do it like this and then you grab your fork.
You can also like separate it a little. It's easier to eat.
That's really good. That's really good.
Aber das gefällt mir gut.
Ist richtig gut, ne?
Vor allem, ich hatte in Japan habe ich auch so einen japanischen Pancake probiert und das schmeckt ja echt nicht so gut. Also von daher ein bisschen Angst gehabt vor dem
Wäre hier
Ding.
deutlich besser, meinst du? Ja.
Ja.
Mir tun so die Füße weh.
Sounds like a good day.
Iniciamos a preparar el elote mexicano, pero como no hay...
Ah, la del pepino de mar.
La de pepene de mar.
Okay. So this is called 전복. I don't know. I don't know the English word.
Prueba desde ahí. Uy, está caliente. Uy, está caliente.
Fine, fine, fine. Very good, very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
Very, 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 very good.
Very good, very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
Very, 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 very good.
Makoli und Sujo. ¿Qué es eso?
¿Qué es eso?
Boah, was ist das denn für ein Zeug? Schmeckt ja richtig lecker, aber ich weiß nicht, was es ist. Die gelben Früchte, die da drin sind.
Ayúdanos.
Ja, ist ganz schön scharf, ne?
Ja, die ist scharf.
Alter, ich brauch noch mehr Reis. Uiuiuiui.
So, that's a spicy one.
Very spicy? Oh, thank you. Very spicy? Oh, thank you.
Very spicy?
I would say yes,
Well,
but maybe,
For
maybe
German it
you would
is.
say something different.
ja.
So what do you say?
Relájate.
Está rica.
¿Está rica?
Sí, pero está rica.
¿Este está picante?
Sí, güey. Pica mucho. Te pica, pero no te irrita, por así decirlo.
I'm gonna go.
Also dieses Fischomelett hat schon am besten geschmeckt, finde ich. Meeresfrüchte-Omelett. Das war richtig gut.
One last fondo, one last
Yeah,
fondo.
one last fondo.
Fondo, 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 fondo.
Hallo.
Pretty delay.
Me encanta el máquina. Ok. Ok.
Bolita, bolita.
Déjalo, no digas. Necesito ayuda.
Se estaba levantando.
Se está muriendo, se está muriendo.
Necesito ayuda.
¿Tienes? No, exacto.
Andrei,
¿Qué?
mejor ayúdame.
¿Tú también?
की रंगीन हो गई हो 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 हो
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things. Like a
제주이면은 해녀죠. 그거는 진짜 그거는 뭐 했으면 제일 좋고 안 하더라도 그 해녀의 그 역사가 뭔지를 좀 알아갔으면 좋겠어요.
왜냐하면 물론 한국 사람들이 사실 해녀 체험하러 가지 않잖아요. 근데 외국인 입장에서 일단 이런 문화 없잖아요, 전 세계적으로. 충분히 이탈리아 들어가서 이야기할 수 있는 그런 거라서. 저는 작년에 제주도에서 스쿠버 다이빙 해봤는데 12월에 엄청 추웠어요. 엄청.
I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together.
아, 큰일 났다 이거.
진짜 큰일 났어.
아, 나 진짜 하고 싶은 게 있는데 이거.
너무 추워, 하고 싶었는데 지금 너무 추워. 아, 바람.
Paga, usted dentro ya el agua.
Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
The Henyo,
Yeah.
these women like 7 years ago. So it was so impressive. That's why you wanted to come here again. And Lucky also wanted to come here to show you guys this culture.
Because anywhere in the world I have never heard about this kind of women who jump in the ocean without the oxygen mask.
Right. Are you going, Lucky?
I suggested, this was my plan. I wanted to do it. I suggested this, but it's so cold. I'm just thinking.
This is one chance in Jeju to do it, once in a lifetime chance to do it. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be rough, it's gonna be difficult.
I'll do it.
I'll do it as well, Alberto.
Jeju's not the mood.
Vicky.
We can come back, but I'm going for it.
Vicky, you're doing?
You do what I do, man.
Okay.
You do what I do, man. Simple.
Ash, you're doing?
Possible, I'm sorry.
That doesn't convince me.
I really want to play poker with me.
Fede, you're doing?
Let's see now.
Fede.
It's too hard.
If we go to champagne, we're gonna change.
No, see, it's too cold.
Vikram, you wanna go first?
No, Luca,
I know what you mean, Luca.
Sure, but he's really sick now.
What happened, Luca? You
No, it's from yesterday. I just don't feel well.
because stomach or
No.
the cup?
Like
Yeah, even I have a running nose. Of course, I have a medicine, but I told you I'll do it. Not so that you can swim. Just normally, I'll give you medicine, but you don't do that.
You know what you should do? You should also actually no. If you go and touch the water and see the temperature, you'll actually might not do it. You'll have to just go and jump.
Well, let's change our clothes and then we talk to the lady.
There's no oxygen.
Jai Mata Di!
This is not happening. Okay. You can do this.
Looking good. You look like a professional. Eh, jeez, man. Sound effect.
This is too tight for me. My balls. Yeah, but this is too, it's choking. No, it's supposed to be tight. We're going to the bro. What do you want? I can't breathe. That's it.
You'll be alright.
But I can't breathe. No, I really can't breathe.
If you stay calm, you can breathe.
Yeah. I think I worn it upside down.
What do you mean? Your head will come from here.
Is it upside down? Yeah. I wore it upside down. I wore it upside down. I wore it upside down. What can I do? It's upside down. I was thinking, what the fuck is going on? Oh my god, man.
That's like
Oh my god, that was so hilarious.
Across the USA, then everybody be served like California. This is not happening.
Come Alve fresca.
It's very warm. Very warm.
You don't need this. You don't need
Argentina.
Albania.
Henam.
Come on, guys.
So windy.
Keep us warm, guys.
Gente. Perché lo sta facendo niente.
Waiting here patiently for you to say that you sent him on his way. You sent him on his way. And I know you're worried. Tossing and turning, it's keeping you away. Thinking it was a mistake. But it's time. You know he was you had to let him go. Just reach out your hand, now you got mine to hold. I'm telling you that ooh, we were meant to be. Darling, can't you see that I'm your whole
어디 있어요?
Forse Albi ha beccato qualcosa.
아이고 오른발로 내 애들을 뿌렸겠어. 아이고 오른발로 내 애들을 뿌렸겠어.
Abre, quería escribir. Abre, bro. Abre. Hello. No, not yet. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. 좋아요. 오이 럭키 럭키. There they are.
Tipo ricchi di mare.
Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things.
You're doing this, dude.
What more?
Why not?
Oh, brother!
Darling, it's better. Take your mind.
One more time. One more time.
I am going to fight an animal.
Okay, Vikram, we'll see you there.
I couldn't find an animal. I tried so much.
Careful.
Where's your food, man?
Let's go.
Hey! Hey, man!
Nice, guys.
Albe, I saw you, man.
Hi, Henam.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, Joe. 사랑해요.
Got some dinner?
Survive, guys. I got dinner, brother. I got dinner.
Latina, eh?
One of the best seasons of my life, man. I got 14 of them.
This guy was a hunter. He got every food of Asia.
Vicky, you're alive.
You're alive, huh?
Really?
I feel my hand. I can't feel my blood.
I think it's one of the best experiences of my life, seriously. Thank you so much.
투도 열심히 살아야 되겠다, 너. 인생 쉬운 거 아니야. 열심히 살아야 돼.
제주. 사랑해요, 한국. 사랑해요.
I think Jeju.
It looks traditional already.
Yeah. See Jeju Minsukchon, so the folk village. So here we can see like how people used to live here, or at least some
It's
people.
culture time, right?
It's culture time. This,
So, okay, so you have to teach us because we are not too used to culture time, you know?
Actually, we really find it interesting to
Yeah.
see these things. So
It is interesting,
Yeah,
I think. 안녕하세요. Just kidding.
안녕하세요.
Was denn? Da liegen da so Pläne rum, oder was?
ja, die hatten so einen Plan.
ja, ganz gut.
Oder bring mal einen mit, ja. Genau.
Marvin, Selfie Stick.
We take just one map.
Can I take an
area?
In case we need it.
Kann ja.
Area.
In case we need it.
Kann ja.
You guys, do you have a map?
We are really,
We feel
really
naked.
into maps.
Yeah. We feel
Like we
naked.
like to get lost.
So we already passed the toilet and the entrance.
Yeah.
So
Me tiembla la pierna.
entrance. We have to walk some, and then to the right.
Okay.
Peter,
They will
so
be the
smart.
guides. We
Okay.
just follow them.
Let's follow the guy.
I mean, the Mexican style is kind of like no map, not everything. It's just ski,
just
walk
walk there.
Yeah.
Let's go see anything.
This guy would be open food.
Yeah.
Es mucho nuestro estilo.
The German guys.
Die haben hier auch diese.
Okay.
Die haben hier diese Jizu Chocolate.
Traditional Marketplace, Freunde. Gibt's hier auch.
Ich glaube, das ist Jeju-Do-Dialekt. Normalerweise es sind halt sehen, essen und spielen oder Spaß haben, aber das sind andere Endungen. Also das sind Endungen, die du eigentlich im Koreanischen nicht so leicht findest. Ich glaube, das ist halt im Jeju-Dialekt, glaube ich.
Aha.
Hier so diese Handwerkskunst, das haben die auch in Seoul im Hanok Village, haben die da auch ganz viel ausgestellt.
Genau. Es gibt auch viele in Zentrum zum Beispiel.
Pottery, oder was?
Pottery, ja.
Ist jetzt halt als japanische Keramik oder Porzellan bekannt, aber ist eigentlich, originell war es eigentlich koreanische Handwerkskunst. Das wird auch unter japanischen Namen, ist das bekannt, aber das haben die Kunst, also die Möglichkeiten, das herzustellen, haben die Japaner damals von den Joseon-Leuten gelernt. Also damals 15. 16. Jahrhundert.
Wurde das hier sozusagen echt entwickelt, die Technik, wie es hergestellt wird? Oder?
Ja, also zumindest, also ich weiß nicht, ob es generell weltweit dann entwickelt wurde, aber die waren auf jeden Fall schneller als die Japaner damit.
Ja.
Wie kann man das denn nachvollziehen noch?
Espérate, ponte tú también comiendo, estás comiendo. A ver, una flor más aquí.
Espera, deja.
Welcome
Bueno,
to the Hunger Games.
estamos aquí reunidos para contar nuestros problemas. ¿Qué tal? Mucho gusto.
Hola, me llamo Cristian.
Andrés
Burgos.
Hola,
Hola, Cristian.
Cristian, cuéntanos tus problemas.
Soy mexicoreano.
Te toca.
Hola, yo soy Pablo
Y me comunico con las aves.
y hablo con las aves.
Bueno, chumbal.
Chumbal. ¿Y ese qué significa?
Hey, and the German guy? Ah, ja.
Our guides, where are our guides?
They're
Oh,
probably
kennen Sie.
discussing us.
Was ist der Unterschied zwischen Half Farming und Half Ranching? Achso, das ist nur so Gemüseanbau und sowas und das ist Tierhaltung.
Ja,
ne?
ja, wahrscheinlich.
Hier gibt es halt auch, kann man halt die traditionellen sogenannten Scheißschweine sich anschauen. Also Dongtaeji heißt es auf Koreanisch. Die haben ja draußen, haben die sich, ihr Gericht, ihr Chef.
Verstehen wir, ja.
Genau.
Haben wir verstanden.
Gekackt. So, das heißt, die haben sich hingesetzt und dann wurden nicht.
Ahí viene el tren, vamos a saludar a la gente del tren, espérate.
Und dein Geschäft, du verrichtest dein Geschäft, sitzt halt da, sondern kommen die Schweine an und wollen das fressen. Und das kann sein, wenn die halt unten, was halt bei dir unten dran hängt, kann sein.
Súbete. Gratis. Ah, vamos para allá.
Sí me iba a subir, dije no, güey.
Le hubieras hecho así de...
How are you guys doing?
Okay, guys. Yeah. We were talking about that.
Yeah, it's a very interesting story.
Yeah.
Again in English. So.
Okay.
So in Jeju-Do, usually when the farmers, they have like the normal people that live in a village, right? And they have to do their poop outside, right? So they have like the pigs right next to them, and the pigs will come to eat the poop actually.
¿Quieres ir
The
al
pigs
baño,
stick right
Cristo,
next
no?
to them.
Sí. Pero ahí no.
You want to try it out? So you should.
You want to go out the door?
I don't think
You
so.
can experience it here. Welcome to Jeju-Do.
Okay, yo creo que no. Espero el día. Das ist natürlich cool, ne?
Ja, die hatten sogar eine Art Schrank.
Das ist jetzt traditionelle Küche, glaube ich. Das heißt, die haben dann da unter, ich weiß nicht genau, wie das mit dem Status ist, also ob die dann jetzt mehr Geld hatten oder nicht, aber ich glaube, das war jetzt normales, ich sag jetzt mal, durchschnittliches Haus wahrscheinlich.
So, das finde ich also wirklich cool zu sehen, weil das eben zeigt, wie die Leute, die normalen Leute früher gelebt haben. Ne? Nicht unbedingt der König in dem Palast, was auch interessant ist zu sehen, aber wirklich, wie die normalen Leute auch gewohnt haben und wie die Häuser aussahen. Das ist aber auch ganz einfach gemacht, ne? Ganz einfach gezimmert mit ganz simplen Materialien einfach.
Genau, und die haben nicht dann quasi das Stroh und sowas alles so zusammengebunden, haben dann damit alles so festgebunden. Also relativ einfach, aber trotzdem, es hat gereicht, ne?
Ja.
Auch wegen den Regenfällen und sowas.
Aber wahrscheinlich alles in allem deutlich ärmer, die Leute, als...
Und meistens dann eher weiblich.
Mexico, váyase. Mexico, váyase. Mexico, váyase. Mexico, I just...
Se le tuvieron las manos.
Ich glaube, da gibt es hier die Scheißschweine. Komm, schau mal.
Sind die Schweine hier auch noch wirklich?
Oh, guck mal. Hallo. Hallo. Jung.
Sieht ganz witzig aus, das Vieh.
Ganz schön groß, ne?
Ja. Ist ja nicht so rosa wie in Deutschland, ja?
Ja.
Sondern ist wirklich so ein schwarzes Schwein. Ist echt wie so ein kleines Wildschwein.
Ja, genau, guck mal, hier ist das, was ich dir erklärt habe. Das heißt, du hast dann quasi hier, hast du dich draufgesetzt.
Dongxi.
So that's what I explained to you before at the entrance. This is the toilet. And there's the pig.
This is toilet.
No thanks.
You can sit down here.
Where?
You sit down. Oh, shit. You sit down. Oh, shit.
Where Chris is. There you can sit down.
Echt? Ja, aber es ist halt auch eine regionale Spezialität, ne? Also die essen das jetzt halt auch ziemlich viel.
Toilet.
But you...
Oye, pero no me pueden tapar con algo.
Ah, bueno, mosaico.
Le hacemos casita. Le hacemos casita. Como el tigre de Santa Julia. Chico ya. Ay, me habló, ¿viste?
¿Te habló? ¿Te comunicaste con él?
Sí.
¿Cómo se llama?
Chico ya.
Sprechen mit dem Schwein.
Y como que ya se enojó porque no le dimos. Ahora dale de comer.
¿Es multiplayer?
Ah, agarraditos de la mano.
Siéntense.
Multiplayer.
Oigan, no les quiero decir, pero salió la nariz del puerco.
Ah, okay, ja. Also das war bei koreanischen Beerdigungen so der Fall. Dann wurden die halt, die Verstorbenen halt rausgetragen.
Krass.
Die Koreaner hat nach draußen gegangen und die dann draußen vergraben, meistens in den Bergen.
Ist ja so von den Stoffen und den Farben ist das ein krasser Kontrast, ne, zu dem Rest, was wir hier so sehen in den Häusern.
Generell so die Häuser sind halt relativ einfach gehalten, aber so auch zum Beispiel Hochzeiten, ne? oder Beerdigungen, beides waren halt immer sehr farbenfroh. So. Aber was hier zum Beispiel interessant ist, ist halt, wenn die Ahnen verehrt. Das heißt, die haben zweimal im Jahr oder mehrmals im Jahr, sprich einmal am Todestag, dann zu Neujahr und zum Erntedankfest.
Deshalb haben die ja diese Seile drüber gespannt, ne?
Chinguya. Chinguya.
Chinguya.
Aparte tres.
Ist echt ganz schön groß hier, ne?
Ist das hier so ein Friedhof?
Folk Religion Village. Ist jetzt über Religion.
소속 신양촌. Du kannst ja auch so, can write wish letters.
Hatten wir das nicht auch? Sind wir da nicht auch zu so einem Tempel?
In dem Tempel waren also Lampions.
Genau. Wo wir in Gyeongju waren, ne? Oben,
ja.
Und hier kannst du aber auch so Wunschbriefe schreiben. Okay? Also hier darf man seine Wünsche aufschreiben. Und dann kann man die, glaube ich, auch irgendwo aufhängen oder dann hängen die auf bestimmt.
Ja, here we go.
So ein Ziel. Aha. Also ihr könnt, you can write down a wish if you want to.
Okay.
Muss man irgendwie traditionell anfangen mit ich wünsche oder so?
Nö. Schreib einfach drauf, was du möchtest. Egal.
Ponle que quieres conocer a Kay de Lovers.
Das Ding auch oder habe ich schon gewonnen?
Must be something I did yesterday. Pour a cup of liquid gold because my engine's still cold. But in a minute everything's gonna change cause I know.
Sind wir durch? Achso, dann hier.
Der gestaltet das noch richtig künstlerisch.
Ja, ich glaube.
Hello, you're beautiful.
Kunst war ich ja immer Klassenbeste.
Waren wir beide sehr gut immer, ja.
Chris,
Coca, sí.
Malo como quieras, tú estás guapo también.
Yo no sé.
이거 그 생각 그거를. 그래서 그 대성공. 얘 오타가 없죠. 오타가 있구나. 오타가 있어요? 성공? 아, 성공. 아, sí la cagué.
Cristo. Sagen wir uns gleich, glaube ich.
Das ist ja ganzer Roman, den du drauf geschrieben hast.
Ja, geil, ne?
Ein gesundes und langes Leben für meine Familie und Freunde.
Oh, sehr schön.
Ah. Ya mira, aquí no pasó nada. Aquí no pasó nada.
Ya también.
¿Qué hizo aquí? ¿Qué puso él?
No, es hermoso. Ah, vamos a ver por casa.
And I feel quite foolish sometimes when I pray, but my thoughts are all I got.
Ponle papelitos que se arrancan.
Kann bitte gleich sein, so meinst du?
Aber hier vorne sind ja genug so mit Zweien.
No. Ah, no.
Y no acepto tarjeta.
Ay, mira, al lado de esa flor, donde... Porque esa mujer es una flor, ¿sabes? Una flor bella y hermosa.
Como la flor,
Como la flor,
con tanto amor,
con tanto amor,
me diste tú.
se marchitó.
Se va a caer, pero bueno.
No sé perder,
Pero, ah.
It's what I've been waiting for. Hello. And I know.
You guys are gonna look so cute.
I know. I'm looking forward to look like that.
Cosa?
There are two in this?
This is not the traditional musk pack, it's different. Yeah.
One is a mask and then the other one is so much later.
Aspetta. No, it's two, no? Ah, so sorry. No, man, you should go for the flower.
I bet I try.
You're right, of course.
I try.
Lucky, Fede as well.
But even with bird?
Yeah. You don't need makeup. Oh, one second.
Oh my God.
One for Francesca as
Come,
well.
my friend.
Yeah.
Come.
My girlfriend is out of
Oh, really? Your girlfriend loves it?
She bought it in Korea. Men, we don't.
I asked, and you come in between.
Alzano di più. Chiediamo una BB cream. Puoi vedere un attimo? Ok.
Eye creams, but really strong eye creams. For morning or night lotion.
Okay. Ah.
Non lo so. Beh. Guarda che bello. Ti senti bene?
Rico, if you do this and go for Halloween, you will win the first prize. For Halloween, this is the first prize.
But let me ask you, what's the difference between the two?
Bro, I am saying this thing for first. कैमरा लेके जब से खड़ा हूँ.
Oh, nice.
So, how you feel?
Better.
Better?
Yeah, no, it's definitely refreshing, man.
More moisturized.
Of course, for sure. Got good texture.
E beh, lascia un po' di rughe sulla fronte.
Show me. Show me your
Ah, è
skin.
vero?
Let's take a picture and check whose skin is better.
Apriamo.
Awesome job.
Thank you, Lucky.
Thanks, man. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go for the dinner. 호스트들이, let's go.
그럼 제주도에서 먹고 싶은 거? 아, 저 갈 때마다 너무 맛있는 거 엄청 많이 먹었어요.
근데 뭐
흑돼지도 많이 먹잖아요, 사실.
흑돼지. 흑돼지 저도 먹으러 갔는데 진짜 맛있어요.
카시브가 이슬람 때문에 안 먹겠지만 그래도 흑돼지를 한번 먹어봤으면 좋을 것 같고.
그래서 그냥 제주도 가서 그냥 흑돼지 먹고 그런 거면 괜찮을 것 같아요. 그것도 고기 맛있으니까. 네.
많은 기대하고 있는 것 같아요, 친구들이 먹는 것 때문에.
You hungry? Give me the pig. Really hungry.
Show me that pig.
But
Show me that
have you
pig.
heard the news? What? The barbecue is open barbecue.
No, man. No, come on. First the ocean, then this. It is outside.
Outside.
Very warm.
Nicht schlecht. Ja, auf jeden Fall. Krass.
Yeah, first I go there.
This is good. I like. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it now. You know?
All right, boys.
Let's eat some fun.
Luca, gli dici masicche teseo. Sai dirlo?
Very
Masicche
nice.
teseo. A tutti i fiori.
Cosa vuol dire?
Buon appetito, mangiate.
Mashi?
Masicche teseo. Forte di dillo, alzati e fallo forte.
Mashi teseu. Mashi teseu.
Masicche teseo.
Let's get this.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Provecho. Provecho. Lucky I get some drugs.
Das ist kein Schokoladenpudding, sondern das ist Eich. Das wird aus Eicheln gemacht. Aus Eicheln, ja.
Du darfst gleich mal probieren.
Toturi aufprobieren. Genau.
Wie heißt sich das?
Oh, Alter, du hast eine echt gute Aussprache.
Guys, can I steal some of your totori muk?
Not really. Not really.
No.
Sorry. I'm just kidding. Bro.
Thanks.
Wow.
That's so amazing. That's also like squid. Squid, shrimps, sausages. This is probably the black pork, like the 흑돼지. That looks amazing.
Würstchen.
저는 지금 소주를 마시고 싶어요. Is that correct? No. I want it now. I want soju now. Where is it?
Oh yeah.
Good job.
Good
job.
One of those things.
In Korea? No, in Korea you give me.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I give you, you give me. Love. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Welcome. Hi man. Hi. Siemens all the
Kann man es jetzt auch machen
Silvamos te. Okay.
Okay, so I think for me, Christian, Daniel, and Lucky, it's such a pleasure to have you, all of you in Korea. It was great to meet you. And it was great seeing how you traveled in Korea. It was such a good fun for me and I think for all the Koreans friends at home. So good to have you here again. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Come back, come back.
You guys are awesome. Pleasure to meet you.
Salud!
Salud! Saute!
Cheers, guys.
소주.
아, 감사합니다. How about the other?
Guys, you can. I think it's done.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bro, I think this is done. You want? Should I serve you?
It's your dinner for the rest of the night. Don't even share with anyone. Oh, already share it. Really good.
It's ready. Bro, I think this is done.
Ah, weiß ich nicht. War gut?
Richtig lecker.
Ja?
Echt gut. War gut.
Guys, once again, very happy to see you. In 22 years of Korea, this is my 22nd year, I've never had a dinner with so many foreigners in one table. I have one question for all of us. You guys came first time last year, and this is your second trip. I want to know how you feel compared to the first time. Was first time better or second time better?
For me, the first time you see is the best because I haven't seen him for a long time. So I came and see him. And,
Desde ahí empezó para mí algo maravilloso. Conocí un país que nunca me imaginé conocer, del cual me enamoré.
Because the first time for me was really, really amazing. It's like a shock because the culture is totally different between Mexico and Korea.
Gente tan especial, gente tan amorosa, tan cariñosa.
This flowers blooming all the same. The grass gets greener every day in our place.
Que se han convertido en algo tan importante en mi caso.
I went to my country with a different perspective of everything. And I wanted to be a different person to the people in Mexico.
Time whispers into my ear.
I prefer the first time because it was crazy. I never been in Asia, so Seoul was my first impact with Asia, and it was crazy.
And then to discover a new culture, a different way to live, even if Korea is that far from Italy, like people are kind of similar somehow, and that's cool. That's cool because find home like far from your home, so.
Great people, great food. I can restart talking about this amazing situation and about you guys. Thank you guys for these amazing days and this situation.
Thank you.
Come back.
I'd really like to thank Lucky for this opportunity. It was such a great experience, such an enriching experience for all of us. What we did today was unbelievable. Look at it this way, how many people in this world will get an opportunity to kind of really have something like this?
Actually has turned out to be a great experience because even in this time of winter, like we had some amazing experiences like I really started to love this country. I loved it so much that I went back and I started to learn the language. It's not easy. Pablito. It's not easy. I mean, the Korean language has twists and turns, rules. But anyway, so it was Korea. It was soju. It was a different kind of soju. And it was you guys. And I hope we all keep in touch.
Kashif is one of the best clubs in New Delhi. Take a picture with him. Before you leave, take a picture with him. You have to show it.
So basically, when you're in New Delhi for free alcohol, you know where to call.
Actually, I cannot really say whether the first or the second time was better, so it was both really great. But the feelings were just different to one and the other side.
I think you all noticed it's just the three of us. So this time we're missing out on a friend, which was here the first time.
Although he also plays a very huge, important part in our show, I guess. So I'm very sad that he couldn't join us, but I think he will watch probably the show from TV from home.
I recognized already things I got to know the first time, and it was really great. I wouldn't say it felt like coming home, but at least I knew already the one or things. I knew how people are behaving and how things are going a little bit. So, and that's what I enjoyed most when I came here the second time.
Thanks to you, you showed Koreans how beautiful their country is through your eyes. As a person who's been living in Korea for more than 10 years now, I really wanted to say thank you again.
I wish they just have a lot of new experience every time, not just in Korea, like travel around the world, try new things every time, and grow and be a better person.
소통을 위하여! Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Come back.
I take a picture for
Yeah.
everybody, guys. Everybody's in.
Trees,